Welcome to TSS Automotive, your trusted source for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and the latest news from the world of cars. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz lineup, a brand that continues to redefine the standards of luxury, performance, and innovation. Whether you're a longtime Mercedes enthusiast or simply curious about what the German automaker has in store for the future, this video will give you a detailed breakdown of what makes the 2025 models stand out in an increasingly competitive market. For 2025, Mercedes-Benz has taken bold steps in design, technology, and sustainability. One of the most noticeable changes is the evolution of their exterior styling. The signature elegance remains intact, but it's been elevated with sharper lines, refined aerodynamics, and futuristic lighting elements. The front grilles are more expressive, integrating seamlessly with slimmer, more aggressive headlights featuring the latest in LED and digital light technology. These updates are not just for show, they're functional, improving both aesthetics and performance. Step inside, and the 2025 interior experience feels like a glimpse into the future. Mercedes has pushed the envelope in digital integration with the latest version of their MBUX infotainment system. The Hyperscreen, now available in more models, extends across the dashboard with intuitive eye assistance and enhanced customization. From ambient lighting to voice command functionality, the cabin feels more personalized than ever. High-quality materials like Nappa leather, genuine wood trims, and aluminum accents blend traditional luxury with cutting-edge tech. Performance remains a hallmark of the Mercedes-Benz brand, and 2025 is no exception. The AMG lineup continues to deliver thrilling power, while even standard models have seen enhancements in efficiency and responsiveness. New mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains are available across the C-Class, E-Class, and S-Class, offering improved fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The 2025 AMG models introduce advanced 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive systems and updated suspension for better handling and ride comfort. Mercedes-Benz is also doubling down on electrification. The EQ lineup continues to expand, with the EQ and EQS models seeing new trims and extended range capabilities. Charging speed has improved thanks to better thermal management and battery tech, allowing for faster top-ups at high-speed DC stations. Mercedes is also investing in a global charging network, making long-distance electric travel more practical for daily use and road trips alike. Safety and driver assistance systems are another area of focus. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz models feature an updated suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including next-generation adaptive cruise control, automatic lane change, and improved emergency braking. The Drive Pilot semi-autonomous system is now approved for more regions and offers hands-free driving in specific conditions, enhancing both convenience and safety. Customization options have also expanded. Buyers can choose from an increased range of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trims to make their vehicle uniquely theirs. Mercedes Designo program offers exclusive materials and finishes for a truly bespoke experience. Whether you prefer a sporty aesthetic or a more classic look, there's a configuration to match your taste. Looking at specific models, the 2025 S-Class remains the flagship of the brand, setting benchmarks for comfort and innovation. The E-Class enters its next generation with a blend of tradition and modern tech, now featuring more connectivity and digital-first design elements. The GLE and GLS SUVs are updated with refreshed styling and improved off-road capabilities, while the compact A-Class and CLA models continue to offer an entry point into the brand without compromising on luxury. Sustainability is a growing pillar for Mercedes-Benz. From using recycled materials in manufacturing to designing more energy-efficient factories, the company is actively working toward its ambition 2039 goal vision to become carbon neutral across its value chain. In 2025, more components in the interior and body structure are made with sustainable alternatives, proving that luxury and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Mercedes-Benz is also integrating software updates via over-the-air technology, ensuring vehicles stay current long after purchase. This means new features, security updates, and performance enhancements can be delivered remotely, much like a smartphone. This shift to a software-defined vehicle architecture marks a new era in automotive design. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz lineup showcases a brand that continues to evolve without losing its core identity. Luxury, performance, technology, and sustainability are balanced more seamlessly than ever before. Whether you're looking at a high-performance AMG, an executive sedan, a family SUV, or a fully electric model, Mercedes-Benz offers something for everyone, all while leading the charge into the future of mobility. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz lineup here on TSS Automotive. Make sure to subscribe for more detailed reviews, automotive tech breakdowns, and everything you need to stay ahead in the car world.